Okay guys, so today we have a TSA 007 lock from a Samsonite luggage, and I will show you how to pick this lock, okay? Now, we have the release button, which is this here, and that's also for the TSA key. We have the 3 dials, we have the TSA approved symbol, and then we have where the zippers will go. So this release button, you usually be able to slide it towards the dials. As you can see, it has a small arrow there, so towards the dials. And right now I have this code at 000. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it would open. You see? Now, if you don't know your code and you can't find what the code is and you're locked out of your luggage, this is what we're gonna go ahead and do. Okay guys, so today I will be using this just to guide us through what we're gonna do, okay? And so you have your 3 dials, and this is where all of our attention is going to be. So we're gonna be using this, so we're just gonna go ahead and open it, okay? And now you can zoom in with your camera if you're using your phone. And if you happen to see right here, there's a silver or a metal cylinder. That's what we're going to be looking at. Every dial has it, as you can see it here. You see that? Okay, and this one does as well. So we're gonna be looking for an indentation on that metal part there. Some luggage locks will have that, but it'll be a plastic, so it's a little bit harder, but you will still be able to see it with your flashlight or if you're under a well-lighted area. So here's what we're gonna do. You see that? And that's all we're gonna be looking at. You see it? Now, you see this right here? You see that indentation? It's not anywhere else. You'll be able to see that everything else is fine. So when you go back to that indentation there, you see it? You see how it looks? It's not shining. It looks like there's a gap there. That's what we're looking for. You'll go ahead and stop at that number. Should be aligned. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same with this one, okay? So here it goes. I turned on my flashlight, and just so you can see that, you see it? It just looks like a metal cylinder. So that's where we're gonna go ahead. Oh, you see it? Right there. There it is. You see? Shiny, 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 shiny. And then you get to that number, and there it is. I accidentally moved this. Okay, now we're gonna go to this one as well. We're gonna do the same thing. So you see the shiny there. Okay, so you're gonna move it, and boom, there it is. Okay, so it's at 555. Okay, so now that we have it all set, all the indentations are aligned, we're gonna go ahead and try to open the luggage. Okay, so it didn't open. So if it does not open, this is what we're gonna go ahead and do. You see that? I just added 1 number. We're gonna go ahead and try to open it. Okay, we're gonna try to open it. Does not open. We're gonna go ahead and try it again. Again. Okay, you see? And that's your code. Okay guys, so once you have found your code, the way to reset it will actually be to push this, okay? Now, the reason why I'm pushing this is because there's no reset button anywhere else. So, you see this red dot? That means that this is also the reset button. So you will push it and you keep it pressed, and then you will change the code, whichever one you desire, okay? Once you have your code, you'll go ahead and release it. Now, that will be now your code. If you go back to 000, which was the initial code, it won't open anymore, and it won't open at any other code, okay? So it's going to be just at the code that you have set it to. If you do lose the code, you're gonna have to do the process all over again. So make sure you keep the code safe. Other than that, that should be all that you need. If you want to reset your code and you already have a code, then you would need to start with the code that you have. Do the same thing, change the code, whichever one you like, and then release. But you have to start with the code that will open the lock all the time, okay? Have a great day, guys.